Hi, this is Mark from Altcoin Buzz. Let's take a look at Bitcoin right now on the charts and see what might be coming up this week. So here we are on the Bitcoin USD 12-hour chart. I wanted to set up on the 12-hour chart so you can see some of this candle action that's going on here in the last couple days. Don't worry about these arrows at the bottoms. Those are just signifying where the weekends come in. A little bit of a green candle here on low volume, but a bearish candle nonetheless. We had a positive move up, but the bears were able to push it back down. We didn't go lower than when the day started, but we did have some bearish action there on that low volume, which is setting us up for a potential big move, right? When we have low volume, it doesn't take much to have a move drastically come either to the upside or the downside. And with the bearish trend that Bitcoin's in right now, we have to look at it through the lens of this next big move would be bearish. On the lower time frames, this triangle that's setting up right now is another bear flag setting up on the chart. If we wanted to give ourselves a measured move, theoretically, we'd be about 2.5% below the breakdown. That breakdown happening here somewhere in this base would take us back down to that $6,000, $6,100 range, which I thought was going to happen over the weekend, but it just may happen now through this week. On the lower time frames, we also have the resistance set up at the 100 period EMA. So this resistance that we're seeing right here is on the 100 EMA. That also lines up fairly well with this action that we had in here, which was very choppy, but then our support area that we sprung off of back here. We're not going to look at the VPVR because we already looked at that and we are in that range. This is your support level that you want to stay in, that $6,300. If we break to the downside, look for 6,000. I think that we could test that again. If we break to the upside, we definitely have resistance in the $6,300 to $6,500 range. So essentially we have a 50-50 chance, right? Resistance at the 6,500, support at the 6,000. We're sitting at 63. The move up would be $200. The move down would be $200. That's where we're at. Flip a coin. However, this bearish flag that we have forming in here, again, on the lower time frames, would sway my percentages more to the probability of going to the downside than the upside. We don't really have anything in the positions of the longs and shorts to give us any indication where this is going. We don't have a spike either way. We have the longs rising up just a little bit with the shorts declining just a bit. So I could see us trading sideways here for a little bit, but I do see this bear flag. I see us testing the $6,000 range again, somewhere in there. If we were to go back up, that Fibonacci, the 3.8, this area right here, this 382, that's where we come back to every time we've come back up. So if we did break to the upside, if this was going to be the next, oh my gosh, here we go, 6,800 is going to be that resistance area that we're going to be looking at to come back down again. So theoretically, a break to the upside, look for that 318 and then come back down to the $6,000 level again. Or we just take this bear flag, continue down to the bottom and hit that $6,000 again or below. In either case, with this low volume, those moves are going to happen fast. So be watching for that. Leave those coins that you'd like us to look at below. I'm sorry that we haven't been able to get to them. Martin and I will do our best to get to those. Unfortunately, I'm traveling, so I only have some time to get to Bitcoin right now, but I did want to catch you up on it. Be looking for that 6,000 as a potential. If we do break out of it, our first resistance is going to be at that $6,500. Our next resistance is going to be we'll probably break through that 66 pretty quickly and then break down again at that $6,800 area. That'll wrap it up for today. Hey, congratulations to those winners that entered the CoinGecko.com contest and won the Ledger Nano S, the Ethereum, and the Ripple. Had a lot of entries. Thank you for participating. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Also hit that bell so you're alerted when these videos come out. Visit us on altcoinbuzz.io. And until next time, may all your trades be good ones.